Looking for a printer that can handle your label printing needs? Whether you need to print shipping labels for your business, product labels for your store, or labels for your home organization system, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the top printers for printing labels under $200 and what features you should look for when choosing a printer. From affordable options for personal use to advanced printers for commercial use, we'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision. I will leave the links to these discussed label printers in the description. You can check them for more information. Starting our list with the Label Range LP320 label printer. The Label Range LP320 is a compact and portable printer that offers high-quality label printing. It has a durable build quality and comes with a protective case for easy transport. The LP320 is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems and can be connected via USB or Bluetooth. It also has a mobile app for iOS and Android, which makes it easy to create and print labels directly from your smartphone or tablet. The LP320 uses thermal printing technology, which means it doesn't require ink or toner cartridges, making it more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It can print labels on various materials, including paper, polyester, and vinyl, with widths ranging from 1 by 6 inch to 2 inches. The printer is easy to use with its intuitive software and color screen for previewing and editing labels before printing. Its compact design and protective case make it easy to transport, and its thermal printing technology makes it an affordable option for anyone looking to create professional labels. At number 2, it's the IDPRT Thermal SP410 label printer. The IDPRT Thermal is a powerful and efficient thermal label printer designed for high-volume label printing, particularly for shipping and logistics purposes. The SP410 utilizes thermal printing technology, which provides high-quality and durable labels with a resolution of 203 ppi. It can print labels ranging in width from 1.5 to 4.25 inches, making it an ideal choice for printing shipping labels, barcodes, and other labels. The SP410 is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems and can be connected to your computer via USB or Ethernet. Additionally, it offers mobile printing through the IDPRT app, which enables you to print labels from your smartphone or tablet. The SP410 boasts a robust build quality, designed to endure the rigors of daily use in a busy shipping or logistics environment. It features an automatic label peeling function, which minimizes the possibility of jamming or misalignment and speeds up the printing process. At number 3, it's the JADENS Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer. The JADENS Thermal is a smart and efficient label printer designed for shipping and postage purposes. The JADENS printer uses thermal printing technology, which provides high-quality durable labels with a resolution of 203 dpi. It can print labels up to 4 by 6 inches in size, making it an ideal choice for shipping labels and postage. The JADENS printer is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, iOS, and Android. It offers wireless printing through Bluetooth, which enables you to print labels from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. The JADENS printer uses direct thermal printing technology, which means that it doesn't require ink or toner cartridges, resulting in lower printing costs. Its efficiency and ease of use also make it an excellent option for businesses that require high-volume label printing. At number 4, it's the ROLLO USB Shipping Label Printer. The ROLLO USB Shipping Printer is a powerful and efficient thermal label printer designed for high-volume shipping label printing. It uses thermal printing technology, which provides high-quality and durable labels with a resolution of 203 dpi. It can print labels up to 4.16 inches in width, making it an ideal choice for shipping labels, barcodes, and other labels. The ROLLO printer is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems and can be connected to your computer via USB. It is also compatible with popular shipping platforms such as USPS, UPS, and FedEx. Its advanced software features also enable you to create custom labels and designs. The ROLLO USB Shipping Label Printer has a robust build quality and is designed to withstand daily use in a busy shipping or logistics environment. The ROLLO printer uses direct thermal printing technology, which doesn't require ink or toner cartridges, resulting in lower printing costs. At number 5, it's the IDPRT Bluetooth Shipping Label Printer. The IDPRT Bluetooth Shipping Printer is a compact and portable thermal label printer that is designed for printing shipping labels, barcode labels, and other types of labels. It produces clear and sharp text and images, making it ideal for printing barcodes and other detailed information. The IDPRT printer is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows it to connect wirelessly to your mobile device or computer. This makes it easy to print labels from your phone or tablet. The IDPRT printer is compatible with both Android and iOS devices and can also be used with Windows and Mac computers. It is compatible with most popular shipping platforms, including USPS, FedEx, and UPS. The IDPRT printer is easy to set up and use. It comes with a user-friendly app that allows you to design and print labels quickly and easily. The IDPRT printer is lightweight and compact, making it easy to take with you on the go. Its built-in rechargeable battery allows you to print labels without being tethered to an outlet, making it ideal for use in warehouses, retail stores, or other locations where mobility is required. And with that, we come to end of my review. There are many different label printers available on the market, each with their own unique features and benefits. Of these, the ROLLO USB shipping label printer stands out as one of the best due to its high-quality printing, compatibility with various operating systems and shipping platforms, and ease of use. Hopefully this video is helpful for you.